So I have these Sennheiser PX 550 and they're not turning on, so I'm fixing it by soldering some wire to, see if I can get it in focus, to the one of the pins for the connector for the cable to the switch, and it's from the top it's number 2, and then there's a small spot like all the other yellow spots where you can solder to also, so it doesn't mix. But it's number 2 and the spot on the top side, and then it needs to go to the Bluetooth connector, and I don't need to take apart the Bluetooth so it's always on. It's just to solder it to the top and the bottom ones. Hope this helps.